My name is Allison, and this is my portfolio website. You'll see on the home page, I've put a little bit about myself and 2 quick buttons to my resume and my work, which I felt would be most important. Resume being bigger, more important, and a nice picture from last year's travels to Iceland to just show a little bit of personality. It also has my title up at the top and where I work, as well as in the description. And on the bottom, if you click this, you can follow me on Twitter. Also has my contact information, as well as when I made this site. So up at the top, we can also go to the resume from here. Rather than clutter the page, I made a hyperlink to view my resume. As far as the projects page, this is some of my latest projects. You can find my attributes here, the presentation, and the PowerPoint on the picture, like it says in the description. Here is my Blabberize to tell you a little bit about myself, and I use Dorothy from the Golden Girls, one of my favorite characters, and my timeline. My avatar is also listed here as well. As far as our contacts page, put a little nice cartoon of Dilbert in there with my phone number to my office and my work email, which is also hyperlinked. And they can also fill out a form if they'd like as well. This is my web page for my portfolio. I would use this to show a potential employer or even students if they needed some information. Thank you so much, and have a good day.